welcome back to my channel. Today I am here in Delhi and I'm here again in Green Park. We will be going to Dr. Lippy to get our Hydra facial done. उसके लिए अभी 20 मिनट है and then go get my Hydra facial done. I'm not sure वहाँ पे Dr. Lippy will allow us to film the Hydra facial process. So उसके लिए I'm a bit dicey, but देखते हैं क्या होता है. Thankfully they allowed us to film the entire procedure and I was very happy to film this for you all. So for the first step they started off by cleansing my face using a very mild cleanser because I was wearing sunscreen and it is one of their mandatory steps to do before starting any procedure, just to make sure that your skin is squeaky clean and there are no dirt particles. So the second step was deep cleaning using this Hydra suction device. So this device will suck any dirt, any dead skin cells that I have on my skin and even cleanse my pores. So basically this process will deep clean my skin and I think this is actually the main process of the entire Hydra facial thingy because you can clearly hear water in this device. So basically जब सक्शन होता है वाटर भी स्किन के अंदर इन्फ्यूज होता है which means that it will add moisture to the skin which is really nice. जैसे मैंने कहा इस प्रोसेस में थोड़ा सा सक्शन है तभी मेरी स्किन थोड़ी सी रेड दिख रही है but nothing to worry, बिल्कुल पेनफुल प्रोसीजर नहीं था. It was very comfortable, कोल्ड था and कुछ भी फील नहीं हो रहा था. The best part about Hydra facials is that it will instantly add glow to your face. It's perfect for acne prone skin and it is great if you have a big event to attend. For example, मेरे केस में दीदी की शादी थी next month, so I had to get this procedure done कि मुझे बार बार अपने facial उल्टी सीधी जगह पार्लर वार्लर जाने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े. I'm done with this one facial at the dermatologist, done professionally with all safety and care, looking at my current skin condition. मेरे साथ दीदी ने भी कराया, so it's great for bridal as well. And you can see she even did this thing around my nose area because वहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा dead skin होती है. Next they used aloe vera gel and a serum to calm down my skin after the previous procedure which was the Hydra suction procedure and उसके कारण मेरी skin काफ़ी red हो गई थी, so my skin needed to be calmed down and this definitely helped me a lot. So here she just applied a good layer of aloe vera gel and on top here she added a serum and to make all the products sink into my skin properly she used this ultrasound machine. It was very calming, very relaxing. मेरा तो मन कर रहा था कि मैं सो जाऊँ. Also when I said that दीदी की शादी next month थी, I meant that I got this procedure, the Hydra facial done in last week of February क्योंकि दीदी की शादी मार्च में थी. So February में हमने ये सब करवाया था, तब लॉकडाउन नहीं था. Everything was not that bad जितना अभी बुरा है. So don't worry about that. So after using the ultrasound machine, she switched to a radio frequency machine which is also known as RF treatment. So basically this treatment helps in tightening up your skin and it also promotes new collagen growth for younger glowing looking skin. So without no surgery you can have and achieve a really nice younger looking skin. So if you are experiencing signs of wrinkles and sagginess you can totally go for the RF treatment. It is very safe on the skin and there are no side effects. Also जैसे मैंने कहा वो बाकी पहले वाले devices they felt very cold on the skin and they were very comfortable. On the other hand this emits heat. ये ठंडा नहीं था, ये गर्म था and you can also see बीच बीच में smoke coming out of my face because heat generate हो रहा था and after a point थोड़ा सा static हो रहा था, so it got a bit uncomfortable for me, so I just told her to lower down the frequency. She did that and उसके बाद it got really comfortable. So after the procedure it was for around 5-10 minutes and then she scooped out the product that I had on my face, the aloe vera gel and the serum using this wooden spatula. It was very satisfying to see her removing the product using the wooden spatula. So we were just talking about the aftercare. She told me not to go in direct sun because मेरी skin बहुत sensitive हो रखी होगी. Upper layer निकल गया, dead skin निकल गई है, so there's nothing to protect my skin and skin burn हो सकता है very easily. So she told me not to go in direct sunlight for 24 hours and not to apply any product of my own like face wash, moisturizer, serum, sunscreen, anything. She basically told me to stay indoors and not to apply any makeup. The next step was extractions of whiteheads and blackheads, and she took out a lot of gunk from around my nose area, chin, and even on my forehead. I personally told her to remove whatever she could see or whatever she could feel because I wanted a flawless makeup. So agar flat skin hoga where you don't have any bumps and all that, makeup ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. She was very gentle, aggressive नहीं था कुछ भी. So there were no marks left after the treatment. Also, I personally love getting my blackheads and whiteheads removed professionally from dermatologists because they know what they are doing. They know कौन सा blackhead निकालना है, कौन सा नहीं निकालना है, and looking at your skin condition, they will do it accordingly. I know parlors में parlor वाली दीदियाँ clean up के time पे या facial के time पे ये extractions करती हैं, but they honestly are not professionals. They don't know what's going inside your skin. They don't know how the skin works properly as much as a dermatologist would know. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So if you want to get your whiteheads and blackheads extracted, please get it done from a dermatologist. Alright you guys, so I am in middle of getting my HydraFacial done at Dr. Lippy, and you guys, my skin already looks pretty clean. They did some suction thing and they applied an aloe vera serum pack something, and then they just cleaned it off. They just extracted some whiteheads, and you guys, I love how nice my skin is looking already जबकि अभी पूरा process हुआ भी नहीं है. She'll apply a mask अभी which उसमें obviously they'll cover my eyes and I won't be able to see. तो अभी बता रही हूँ that they'll apply a white mask and I have to let it sit and let it dry. So she said immediately result दिखेगा, but जितने दिन जाते रहेंगे उसके results और better होते रहेंगे, and the glow will last for about 20 days. So that's awesome.
मैं अब आपको ये मास्क अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. जब तक ये ड्राई नहीं होता तब तक ये छोड़ना है इसे.
ये लास्ट स्टेप है.
हाँ जी.
I am not very sure what this mask is made of, but it had a very cooling effect and it felt like a jelly. She applied a very thick layer on my face and even on my eyes. As you can see, like the layer, it's very thick, and she also covered my eyes later on. After 10-15 minutes, the mask was dry and she took off the cotton pad that I had on my eyes and started peeling off the mask, which I must tell you was very satisfying. So I was able to capture a glimpse of the actual machine जिससे वो HydraFacial कर रहे थे. They had multiple options. Next, after the mask was off my face, she used this water thingy to clean off any excess that I had stuck here and there. So it's just like spray water का spray, I'd say. And after that was off my skin, she applied a generous amount of sunscreen because I had to move out, and of course you cannot move around during the day without wearing a sunscreen, so she did apply that on my skin. So this is immediately how my face looks like after the HydraFacial. My face looks super clean. I'm like literally shook. I was not expecting this, but as of now I am loving the results. I would highly recommend you guys to definitely try this HydraFacial once if you have a big event. If you are the bride, definitely get this done. Parlor से कोई facial कराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Get this. I got this HydraFacial done for 3,000 rupees, but the prices will vary from place to place.